How to turn off read receipts on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to disable read receipts on Instagram, here is how you can do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And here make sure that you are logged into your account. And once inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your settings section, you can simply scroll down and there you can simply tap on the option labeled as message and story replies. And now here under the message and story replies, simply look for the option labeled as show read receipts. And once you have located it, simply tap on that. And here inside the show read receipts, simply toggle on the option labeled read receipts. And that's it. By doing this, other can see you when you have read their message. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.